Hi, my name is Claire. I just finished math course within the last 3 days, and I must say I'm very impressed in how detailed and how easy it is to understand. For me, English is not my first language, and I'm not really that tech savvy, but I was able to understand everything, and I'm about to start to implement the strategies and tactics from the course. Surprisingly, after going through every lesson in the course, YouTube doesn't seem to be that complex for me anymore. I'm really glad I made the decision to join it. But if you're not tech savvy like I am, don't worry about it. After you enroll, you will have access to the Facebook group for the members of the program, where it's very easy for you to post a question and you can get the answer that you want. If you are like me, you have all the basic questions that you're too shy to ask, you can always search in the community and you're more than likely to get the answer that you want, because it's very likely that someone else has had the same question. So I hope to see you there.